The living room has finally gotten the glow up I've wanted to do since we moved in back in 2018. We've had these cheap blinds forever, and honestly, they've bugged me every time I walk into the room. I kept telling myself I'd upgrade the furniture, but doing that without fixing the blinds just didn't feel right. So when SmartWings reached out and asked if I'd like to try their automated blinds, I jumped at the chance, and I'm so glad I did. The install was actually way easier than I expected. They can be controlled with a remote, voice commands, or even automated by time of day or other HomeKit features, which is super convenient. Plus, no messy wiring since the solar panel keeps them charged. The new blinds completely changed the look and feel of the space, even though I've only done the one window so far. It's cleaner, more modern, and just feels finished now. If you're thinking about upgrading your own space, SmartWings has an upcoming spring sale, and I put a link below if you want to check them out and see all the style and color options they offer. Here's a quick look at how they work and a satisfying moment when they open up automatically.
This thing is just awesome. So very high quality. You can change the material, you can change what kind of trim, you can change the colors, and these tracks are just, they fit perfectly. I literally just measured with a tape measure to within 1/4 of an inch like they asked. Once I've painted this room, I'll probably caulk along the top here and along the sides, but you can see nothing coming through along the tracks. This is gonna be a game changer. You can choose how far up or down it's gonna go on the dial, or the app, you can literally choose the exact percentage you want it open or closed. I'm just pumped. This thing's so cool. Okay, so you can see how much light is coming through the normal blind. This is how much light is coming through the SmartWings blind. That is amazing. I'm gonna be replacing those for sure. I was gonna replace this one because it was broken, and when SmartWings reached out to me, I thought this was a perfect opportunity to try it. It keeps out a lot of the heat. I could feel it right away, so if you're getting a lot of heat through windows, these vinyl blackout roll down blinds are perfect for that. You can schedule them with Siri or HomeKit or Alexa or whichever version you choose. You can use the remote, and of course, it goes right there on the wall. So all you have to do is mount it on the wall if you choose. And there it goes. And it's perfect to keep this cat out of the windowsill because she can no longer jump up when it's down. It's in the tracks there. She can't get behind it anymore, which is awesome. Okay, got the remote right here above the light switch. And this is the blind that we're trialing. So we're just gonna tap down or use Siri. That is awesome. Huge upgrade here versus here. And when you're sitting in these seats, you can feel that there is no heat compared to these coming through. Obviously, these are cracked from us opening and closing the door right there. There's another slider. But this is amazing. Definitely gonna get these on all 3 windows. So, love it. Thank you, SmartWings. I really like this remote. If you twist it here, that's 100%. That will open all the way. If you twist it to 50%, it will stop halfway. Hi, baby girl. She thinks it's cool too.